Hey there, Bravo here, and today we're going to walk you through how to check out a range ticket. Our customer has wrapped up their session and is ready to head out. Let's get them squared away. We're going to start from Bravo's dashboard and head to the right side menu and click Range Management. Then expand the range option highlighted in green on the left side. Find your customer, highlight their name, and navigate to the right side menu to click Check Out. If the customer rented a firearm, you'll want to return it before closing out the ticket. Just head to the bottom of the screen, click on the rented firearm, and hit the return button. If there's no balance due, all that's left to do is complete the ticket. Go back to the right side menu and click Complete. That's it. The range ticket is officially closed. Today we got our customer all checked out, returned the rental, and wrapped up their visit. If you have any questions, check out our Solution Center, ask our AI chat Judy, or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.